Hey y'all, it's Queen Meek and I'm back. Duh. So today we are going to go through with making some of my infamous Jello shots. First you need a measuring cup, and you want to have 2 cups of water as well as So the next thing you want to do is get your choice of Jello. I always use like the red and the blue ones. And I did get these little Jello shot cups from Party City. So basically what you want to do is boil you some water first. So 2 cups of water is what I boil. And then of course mix the Jello, the gelatin. And of course, stir. I usually use a fork. People say use a whisk, yeah. But I just use a fork until it's like no more of that residue at the bottom of it. And then the other part says another 2 cups. So instead of using some more water for 2 cups, I use the Tito's. So I use 2 cups of the Tito's as well. And it's really not cold, but it's colder than the heated up water. And then what I do is whisk it as well. So it's going to be mixed into the gelatin. And like I said, just make sure there's no residue at the bottom. I hate that tasting how it looks. So you want to mix it the best way possible. And then just as long as it doesn't have anything at the bottom of it, you good. Then what you want to do is, oh yeah, I had used this because I don't have any other cups. So I can make sure I'm not wasting nothing. So I had already started on the blue one. So basically what you want to do is wait till it cools down and then pour it into the cups. Like I said, I got these from Party City, probably like I think I paid about maybe $10 for like, or $100 or something like that. But like I said, make sure the liquid is warmed up and everything like that because you don't want to melt the cups. Then it's going to take about 4 something hours or so to actually for them to get to where they need to be with the gelatin. Y'all get what I'm saying? So, hey. So this is the final product. Clink, 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 clink. So, like I said, this is my go-to. So like I said, make sure you put it in the refrigerator. It's gonna need to be in there for about 4 hours. Every other, like as far as gathering that we have with my friends, I try to make Jello shots, and they be strong as fuck, and you're gonna be lit. And yeah, so that's how I do. I don't know why it was taking me so long, but I am now finished and happy. Cause, hey, let's get it. Okay, thanks for watching.